Okay, I went ahead and I scooped a lot of this out in the back here around his neck. Alright, now here we're going to have to do the same thing. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go up here a little bit further, and we're going to cut out a little bit more underneath. Alright, and actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cutting undercut a little bit. Okay, a little bit on either side. I'm going to undercut it. Spread that a little bit so we can undercut that a little bit, because his face is going to come out a little further than the other ones that I did. But the same idea, that it has his neck kind of tucked underneath there, looking down. He's going to be sitting like the other ones. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dig this in really deep right in here. And I'm going to just kind of scoop that out. Alright. Same thing over here. I'm going to dig that out pretty deep. When something doesn't look right when you carve, you just keep at it. You know, don't quit, just keep at it. I do the same thing. I keep thinking, oh, this doesn't look right, or that doesn't look right when I work on a piece. And sometimes if you just keep at it for a while, it comes out pretty good. So what I'm going to do here is something a little different. I'm going to take this line, and right here I'm going to dig some of this out. So we're going to go right underneath this ear, just like this, match it up with the head here, and we're going to chop this out right here. Alright, exactly what we're going to do here. So a whole lot of cutting to go yet. Alright, we're not anywhere near where you think we are. There we go. Alright, scoop this out a little bit more. Again, we're trying to get that neck in there. And that's it. Just like so. And we're going to work our way to the back, remember. Now all this comes off. Okay, see how it's starting to shape up a little bit? That's what we want. That's exactly what we want. From the back of the ear, I'm going to keep digging all the way around. There you go. And I'm going to extend this neck a little further up. Alright, behind the ear here. Alright, see how we dug that out? We're going to do the same thing over here. Figure out where the bottom part of this ear goes. Alright, and we're going to take that down, and we're going to dig that out. That's pretty well done from before, and that's fine. What we're going to do is we're going to just dig it in a little further. Okay, just like so. And we're just going to bring this down and around. Okay. And this is going to be the under part of his neck, so we need to kind of start trimming that down. Alright, now from the front looks okay, from the side it still doesn't look right to me, because all this has to come off. So we're going to start shaping up the antlers and the ears, and we're going to start bringing the ears down a little bit further and freeing that from the antlers. Because once we get that taken care of, you'll see a vast difference of what's going on here. Okay, we don't want to cut too much off there because the antlers are pretty far to the front of the head, not the back of it. So one thing we're going to have to do is trim out the ears in the front a little bit, and then from there we're going to go to the back and start working our way across and eliminate some of the waste there. Okay, now I'm going to do this. Alright, and this, well, you'll see, it will all come into play. You'll see it in a second. We're going to cut this out and that out. Let's do that first, because we need those ears in there. Let me spray this a little bit so it's easier. I'm just working on freeing the ears right now, and when I come back you'll see all this will be cut out, not from the bottom but from the sides up. They'll be freed from the ears, and you'll see that in a little bit. Alright, I'll be back.